Hi, I'm back again with another book from the Step Into Reading series, and this one is called Thomas and the Jet Engine. This is one of Thomas and Friends books. This one doesn't have the author's name on the outside, so we're going to have to look inside. It says that it's by Reverend W. Awdry. Okay, let's get started on the story. Thomas likes to go fast. Gordon thinks he is faster. Thomas must take a jet engine to the airport. See, he's getting a jet engine that they're going to put on his train so he can take it to the airport. A jet engine goes by pushing hot air out its back. It is like a balloon full of air. When you let it go, off it zooms. See? The air comes out of the back of it, or the bottom of it, and it flies into the air. That's how a jet engine works. Cranky does not look. His hook bumps the switch. Click. The jet engine starts up. Oh my goodness. See, the jet engine starts up on the train. Vroom, vroom. The jet engine rockets Thomas up the track. Zoom, zoom. Clear the lines. Runaway train. Thomas passes Percy. Whoosh. Thomas passes Henry. Whoosh. He must really be going fast. Hi, Gordon. Vroom. Bye, Gordon. Zoom. At last, the jet engine runs out of fuel. Whew. Thomas chuffs to the airport on his own steam. Peep, peep. Back at the shed, Gordon ignores Thomas. Gordon may not be a jet engine, but he is full of hot air. Isn't that funny? All right, we'll be back again next week with another book. Thank you.